Here's one of the younger gorillas. See, he's got this white board. He looks like he wants to use it as a tool. This is an example of one. He looks like he's trying to use it as a telephone right there. It just shows how intelligent they are. Yeah, I think you can just barely see it, that's the bigger gorilla. Also, watch what he does later on. See, he's just looking at it, checking it out. And there's his box, and there's his buddy behind him too. And he starts to chew on it. It looks like a dog with a bone in its mouth. Okay, there he looks at it. He's tapping on the box. This looks like he's killing time. Almost like a person does. Okay.